Hey folks, welcome into another, what I would consider, exciting edition of Annuity Avenue. It's Coach Pete here. I thought it'd be good this week talking to my team and looking at some misconceptions that are out there and looking at some the need for information that many people just like you have expressed the want, desire, the need for this information is to give you a brief introduction to what's called a single premium immediate annuity. The slang word or term we hear in the industry, SPIA, S-P-I-A. A single premium immediate annuity is a contract with an insurance company where you pay a lump sum up front. You give them, you write a check to them, and a single premium, that's why they call it a single premium, in exchange for regular income payments that start whenever you want them to. Some can start immediately. Some you can say, hey, I want to let it bill for 6 months and then give me income. It's all up to you. Now, once it starts, then before you decided this, you decide how long you want it to continue. You can do your lifetime. You can do you and your spouse's lifetime. You can do 5 years. You can do 10 years. They call that a period certain. You are the one who's designing this great work of art we call your retirement. And it's very important to use SPIAs in this if we want lifetime income. They're very important to learn when we're talking about retirement planning because they've been a very helpful part of getting folks down the road or all the way through retirement with no worries about money running out, because they can never run out if you set them up for a lifetime. Again, very important aspect here is consulting with an advisor, a fiduciary advisor, preferably one who is a retirement income certified professional, RICP, because we, as retirement income certified professionals, are trained in, guess what? In retirement planning, giving you lifetime income you can never outlive, taking all the games and gimmicks and flushing them where they belong. Now, the problem here is challenges in the community, in the world in general, in understanding what a SPIA does on the inside. We call it the mechanics. And there's concerns about managing retirement funds effectively. So the solution here is if we understand exactly what we need, we can find a single premium immediate annuity, SPIA, that fits exactly what you and your family are looking for. Now, there's not a one-size-fits-all though, folks, and that's the problem here we've seen in the financial industry is there's too many salespeople and not enough consultants. So let's find out what you need. Number one, we'll tell you if it makes sense at all to look at a single premium immediate annuity. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe you need a flexible premium. Maybe you don't need an annuity at all. Maybe you need 3 or 4 of them. They all have a specific purpose. The one I like is give you lifetime income you can never outlive for both you and your spouse, even if your balance goes to 0. So, get quick explanation of single premium immediate annuities. It's just a way for you to put one fund, one check in one place. Single premium means you can't add to it. It's not a flexible premium, but it's a great way to distribute money, have 3 or 4 different ones in different strategies. We call it a laddering strategy. And so it gives you flexibility to get income forever if you'd like. Now, it is different than a flexible premium annuity because you can't add money to it. And the process is very easy. You get a contract with an insurance company, you sign up for that contract, you give a lump sum, and then you decide when the income comes. And you know ahead of time what the income's gonna be. That's why it's important to shop around and find the best income with the best company. I don't like companies under an A- rating by the AM Best. Now, is it a perfect system? No, it's not a perfect system. Is anything perfect these days? No, but it gives you a yardstick to compare other annuity companies because your safety and viability of your income is very important. Now, annuity companies, insurance companies in general, have a lot of protections in place, state guarantee associations, and also making sure they have legal reserve requirements. For every dollar you put in an annuity, they have to put at least $1 in a trust account they can't touch. That's called a legal reserve. So we are very confident when we offer an annuity that the annuity is going to be there. And more importantly, we want you to be there as long as possible because you'll get lifetime income you can never outlive. So if you have a single premium though, you have in a one lump sum, you put the money in an insurance company, and as soon as next month, you can start getting checks, and we decide what makes more sense for you in a fashion where we consult with you and your family and find out what kind of income distributions you and your family would most benefit from. So once payments start, they'll never go away if you select the lifetime income option. If you select a certain period though, of 5 years or 10 years, from the minute it starts, it'll go 5 years if that's what you selected, a bigger payment over 5 years, or smaller payments over 10 years, or smaller payments over lifetime. Folks, it's up to you. You see what the numbers are ahead of time, and you find out what kind of frequency of payments you want. Some people like monthly payments, some people like annual payments. The options are all up to you, and the terms are up to you too. That's the beauty of the annuity world. If you understand exactly what you need, I almost guarantee you there's a product and strategy out there that fits for you. but it's not going to be every single product or strategy, and that's the problem we see. So many people have just been sold something and it wasn't the right fit, and then they're mad at everything. There's so many great options, including those guaranteed lifetime income streams, including in the annuity world. You are really killing your long-term financial viability by not exploring something just because you've heard something bad. You really owe it to yourself to explore everything that's out there, making sure you can make an informed decision, the good, the bad, the ugly. We always give the good, the bad, the ugly. A lot of insurance companies don't like us because of this, but our clients love us because we design strategies that fit what you're looking for. Then we find the product. There's always going to be products to find. We need to look for them to begin with. We do that first. We put you in control. So if you'd like your very own total retirement plan, including the annuity options explained thoroughly, all you have to do is click the options you see on the screen, give us a call as well. We'll see you next week, right here on Annuity Avenue.